This is the Zappit Bug Zapper, and it works wonderfully. It has 35 volts of power, and it also runs on 2 AA batteries. And all you have to do is click this yellow button, and then you see the red indicator light goes on. And that means it's in use. See? This is lightweight and very easy to use. Great for swatting flies, mosquitoes, fruit flies, and what other bug is bugging you too. Now let's get ready to zap some bugs' butts. This is just too fun to use. This is in a size mini, but they also have medium and large size too. I was sent this from Zapper to evaluate, and I'm really impressed, and I think you will be too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.